The ASC trend indicator is a simple indicator that tells you the direction of the trend. It follows the price momentum and tells you where the market is heading. The indicator also illustrates the trend reversal. The indicator draws arrows on the chart to help you buy or sell points. The arrows comprise red and blue colors. The blue arrow emerges below the candlestick and tells the upward price trajectory. On the other hand, the red color arrow appears on top of candlesticks and describes downward momentum. The indicator takes the hassle off as it points out entry and exit points. When there's a blue arrow, it's a sell signal, while you can go long when there's a red arrow. When looking for the buy/sell signals, you should apply the indicator on longer timeframes, as the ASC indicator is prone to false signals on shorter timeframes. The ASC Trend MetaTrader 5 Forex indicator has the ability to spot bullish and bearish market trends and is quite popular for scalping and day trading currency pairs. How it works: a blue dot positioned below the price bar represents a buy signal. A magenta dot positioned above the price bar represents a sell signal. How to trade in order to get the most out of the ASC trend indicator. Use it in agreement with a longer period trend following indicator. For instance, use an agreement with a 150 period simple moving average or 100 period exponential moving average. Trade ASC MT5 signals in the direction of the overall trend. Price bars aligned above the longer period trend following indicator indicate the overall trend is bullish. In this case, trade the blue ASC dots and ignore the magenta dots. Conversely, price bars aligned below the longer period trend following indicator indicate the overall trend is bearish. In this case, trade the magenta ASC dots and ignore the blue dots. The right use of any indicator usually boosts the performance of a trader. Sadly, the majority of the forex traders are using the wrong tools and losing money. For instance, the amateurs prefer the fractal indicator to trade the 15 minutes. But while using fractals, you must rely on a higher period. By now it should be clear, the use of the right tools can cause great variations to your trading results. Though you have plenty of tools to use, the advanced traders use the ASC trend indicator for MT5 to find accurate signals. The above pound sterling to US dollar chart H4 shows the buy and sell signals based on price momentum. In addition, the indicator plots red and blue arrows to identify market reversals. The blue arrow always appears at the bottom, while the red arrow pops up at the top. The ASC trend indicator paints several arrows if the time frame changes. It is sometimes difficult to detect market trends in a shorter time frame. Therefore, one must look for the signals on higher time frames. The emergence of arrows tells when to exit the trade. For example, if the blue arrows appear, it's time to exit the short trades. Conversely, if the red arrow appears, it's time to exit the long positions. Besides, you have to wait for the trend to develop before entering the trade fully. It's because sometimes the trend is short-lived. It's important to understand that the indicator may occasionally repaint two consecutive arrows of different colors. As a result, it is important to wait for a trend to completely develop before taking positions. The ASC MT4 indicator does reveal the market's highs and lows, giving a clear indication of price patterns. The arrows are an excellent pointer of a trend reversal. For example, the blue arrow suggests the reversal of a downtrend, while the red arrow marks the reversal of an uptrend. Plus, the indicator is easy to install and is free to download. How the ASC trend indicator is useful. The indicator presents multiple buy and sell signals by drawing upward and downward arrows. The indicator presents clear entry and exit points through these arrows. 1. Trade according to ASC trend indicator. You will see many arrows with blue and red color. An alarm on the full closed bar, bar number 1. So open the order when the bar with the signal, previous or first bar, is closed and new, current or zero bar is opened. We will have many arrows on M1 time frame. And because of that every signal should be validated. 2. Trade on the direction of parabolic SAR. It means that only arrows are valid if they are on the direction of the SAR. 3. If we have buy according to ASC trend indicator, on the previous bar and according to the alarm, and this signal is confirmed,